Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpin here, and welcome to another model railroading video. So today is going to be a little quick video of some new rolling stocks I bought. I went to my local train store over the weekend, like last weekend, and I picked up some new rolling stocks because, I went to Show Me Model Railroad Company, which is located in Granby, Missouri, and this weekend was their rolling stock sale, so I picked up some new rolling stock. This was also the day where I was also on the CPKC Pittsburgh sub, which I look forward to getting that video up sometime soon, but I'm not sure when. But so here it is. So I would like to show you guys some new rolling stock I got. I got 2 scale trains, and I also picked up Walters rolling stock. So the Walters rolling stock I picked up is the 25,000-gallon tank car. This is the ADM scheme with the new scheme, which is the Leaf logo. So I got that. Looks really nice because I do have some ADM rolling stock, and I also have a tank car, but that's in the old Molecule scheme. There's that. It's pretty cool because I actually love these modern tank cars that they're doing for the Walters main line. So I'll probably pick one up. And the next things are, as you can previously saw, I got 2 brand new scale trains coil cars. These are the Thrall 48-foot coil steel cars with the double hoods. So the first one I have is Union Pacific, and the other one is BNSF. So I got 2 of them. These are really nice, and they come with coil loads and all that, which is really impressed because what these coil loads do is basically apply weight to them. So basically to prevent like derailments from happening when you go around curves or something like that. So the more weight is applied to these rolling stock, then that can like prevent your coil car from like tipping over or falling on its side. So there's that. So I'll look forward to doing a review on these too soon, because this is one rolling stock I have not did a review on, but even though these were released sometime since last year, I think. And I did pre-order these once, but I decided to cancel it just because there were other model train stuff that I wanted to get, and then but luckily my model train store still had these, so I picked up 2 of them. So anyways, here they are. So anyways, hope to do a review on these 2 sometime in a future video. So yeah, so that's gonna basically wrap it up for this little rolling stock update for the layout. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, have a good day everybody.